We are live August 8th, 2025. Let's get into the charts. As you can see in the title and description, we're going to be rebuilding. Took a mega loss yesterday. Not proud of that. You can check out my live stream on kind of how my processes went down, and I had kind of spiraled into being emotional, over trading, oversizing. Still took the loss. I wasn't so lost and not thinking straight that I would just take a 100% or 80% loss, but they stung. And what's done is done, and we got to move forward with that. I'm not really thinking about that. I just know that that's something I need to work on, and today's gonna be the day we're gonna work on it. So we're gonna trade paper. The only time I'm going to go on the live account is when I see some swing trade setups on the 4 hour, confirmed on the 1 hour and 15 minute charts. So NQ, my thesis is that where it's standing now, if we have downside pressure, it can maybe tap to yesterday's lows at around 23,300. So I'm going to take a look at that. Oh, and it's doing the opposite. So if it's doing the opposite, pre-market highs 23,582, midnight open 23,552.75, pre-market low 23,504.5. VIX was 16.37 when I was recording the numbers. This is very, very interesting. This looks, well, it's not exactly similar to yesterday, but it's a smaller range. I cannot chase that. Okay, 20 points. Good girl. Yeah. If Google falls below this number, I do want to be alerted. Okay. I received word that Google has fallen below that level. Yep, okay, 931. Oof, so bullish. So bullish. I need to wait for the retest. This is not sustainable. I need to wait for a retest level. But I'm watching it. Let's move that a little bit higher. Still looks okay. Tesla as well. Tesla above 325. Needs to stay above 198. Needs to stay above 198. Okay, great. go for 2R. Oh no, 200. Okay. Set and forget. If it kind of dips below where this is on 2 minute, I am no longer interested. We'll write that down. Okay. Let me just keep on jotting down some notes. Stop loss. GP 100.5 2R. Okay. If Tesla holds above this looks like an interesting trade for me. Yep, Nasdaq's chopping sideways. Break. Oh yeah, this is very much on my radar. You can see that my Google thesis failed with everything going on to the long side. So now I potentially want to go short here. So I have this break retest coming up for Tesla, or I can go short on this rejection from Google. I really like this. If it closes below 198, I do want to go short, and we will target 195 again if this is the case. So just 5 more minutes here. The close should be below 198, so we're just sitting here, we're chilling. XLF selling off. Okay. Yeah. Let's say Google's giving me more mixed signals compared to Tesla. Yeah, it's battling to see what it wants to do, which is no problem, but this is the easier, much easier read. Now, can it just do like a straight red flush down? Yeah, I could, but this looks good. This looks really good. I'm really interested. Oh, oh man. QQQ is now in play. 580 is what I'm looking for. Come on, can you pull back? Not pulling back at all. Stop loss was a little too tight. Okay, 580. Yes, perfect. Get some QQQ correlation. If it completely consumes this 943 candle, I'm in. Okay. I am in. What will be my stop loss? Oh, oh, rip. Come on, rip. We'll take 3 off. Three off, and then we'll continue riding the way up. Can you get the 30 something percent? Push up. I really like this candle. Really like it. Gonna push it to the limit. We'll close. Oh yeah, we'll close 3 more. Beautiful. Depending on how drastic this pullback is, we'll just take everything off. Protecting my profits. My next take profit is going to be at 40 something percent or 60. So let's see if we can keep gathering the small wins. Unfortunately, if this continues on its current trajectory, I will take it off. Yeah, 12 is the number. something looked fishy on the pullback. One candle would have been okay, but as it continued to dip lower, no longer interested. Alright guys, those are going to be my 2 trades of the day. Just have to rebuild the process. I'm rebuilding the process right now. So win, lose, or draw. So today happened to be a small win. In trade 2, my risk was 400, but I only gained about 200, so 0.5 R. So I have to see if that's going to be a high enough win rate to be sustainable over the long term. Alright guys, but other than that, I'm going to catch you guys on Monday. Hope everyone has been trading smart, staying safe. See you guys next week. Enjoy the weekend.